Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see some free certificate courses that are offered by Eduonix. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press this subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the social media link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. As I said, we are going to see some free courses offered by Eduonix in this video. We'll be seeing all programming language courses in this video, like R programming, Scala, and a lot more. All the courses are available for free, and you can also get a free certificate for the courses which we are going to see in this video. Let's jump in and see what are the programming language courses that are available for free in Eduonix. First one is R programming for absolute beginners. The duration of this course is 3 hours and the language of instruction is English, and you have 20 lectures for this course. You will get a lifetime access once you enroll in this course, and you will also get a certificate of completion after completing this course. Here they have given a brief introduction about the course in about this course section, and if you scroll down a bit, you can see the course content. Here it is, course content. So you'll have 9 sections for this course. Section 1 is introduction, and the second one is introduction and installation of R. Third one is working with R, handling data in R, flow control, getting data in and out of R, date and time, handling packages, generation of graphs. So you'll be learning about all these things in this course. And if you further want to know what you'll be learning in any particular section, you can just click on the plus here. You will see what are the things you'll be learning in that particular section. And if you scroll down, you can see the prerequisites. So there are no prerequisites for this course, and instructor is Eduonix Learning Solutions. So this is the first course, R programming language, and the next one is Learn Swift programming step by step. The duration of this course is 7.5 hours, and you have 55 lectures. You will get lifetime access and certificate of completion after completing the course. You can see the course content if you scroll down here. So you have 12 sections for this course. First one is introduction, second one is introduction to Swift programming, basic Swift programming concepts, new programming concepts in Swift, Swift operators, strings, control flow statements, functions, enumerations and closures, data structures, object-oriented programming in Swift, course summary. So you'll be learning about all these things in this course. So this is the second course, Swift programming course, and the next one is socket programming course, Learn socket programming tutorial in C from scratch. You have 10 lectures, and the duration of this course is 2 hours, and you will get a lifetime access for this course also, and you will also get a free certificate after completing the course. Let's go to the course content and see what we'll be learning in this course. Here it is. Section 1 is introduction, and second one is socket programming basics, and the third one is HTTP protocol and a summary of this course. So you'll be learning about these things in this course, and there are no prerequisites for this course also. So this is the third one, socket programming course, and the next one is Learn Scala programming language from scratch. You have 23 lectures for this course, and the duration of this course is 6 hours. You'll get a lifetime access and a certificate of completion after completing this course. And here they have given a brief introduction about the course. You can just read it, and if you scroll down, you can see the course content here. Course intro, JVM languages, Scala development environments, Scala syntax and semantics, Scala functions with collections, concurrent Scala, Scala application example use cases, and summary. So you have 8 sections for this course, and there are no prerequisites for this course also, and the instructor is Eduonix Learning Solutions. So this is another course, Scala programming language, and the next one is C# programming language from scratch. You have 45 lectures for this course, and the duration of this course is 6 hours. You'll get a lifetime access and certificate of completion after completing this course. Let's see the course content now. Here it is. So you have 9 sections for this course. First one is introduction, second one is introduction to C#, C# basic programming, selection, iteration and jumps, introduction to OOPS, advanced features, C# LINQ, C# streams, networking and threads, C# conclusion. So these are the things you'll be learning in this course, and there are no prerequisites for this course also. So this is C# programming language course, and the next one is C programming language. So you'll be learning the basics of C programming language in this course. You have 13 lectures, and the duration of this one is 2.5 hours, and the language of instruction is English for all the courses which we have seen in this video. Here's a brief introduction about this course, and if you scroll down, you can see the course content here. So you have 4 sections in which you'll be learning about basic C programming concepts, advanced C concepts, and C concepts for professionals. There are no prerequisites for this course also. So this is the sixth programming language which we have seen in this video, C programming. And the next one is the developer's guide to Python 3 programming. You all know Python is the most powerful language currently in the world, and you have 21 lectures for this course, and the duration of this course is 4.5 hours. The language of instruction is English, and you will get a lifetime access once you enroll in this course, and you will get a certificate of completion after completing the course. And they have given a brief introduction about this course. You can just read it out, and if you scroll down, you can see the course content here. So you have introduction to Python, loops and conditionals, object-oriented programming in Python, other Python features, and you have a final project for this course. You have final project part A and part B. They have divided into two sections. So you'll be working on a final project for this course, and there are no prerequisites for this course, and the instructor is Eduonix Learning Solution themselves. So this is the last course, Python 3 programming. We have seen 7 different programming language courses in this video. One is R programming, Swift programming, socket programming, Scala programming language, C# programming, C programming language, and Python programming language. So we have seen 7 different programming language courses in this video, and all these courses are available for free in Eduonix. Before enrolling in a course, make sure that you are logged into your Eduonix account. Click on login and log into your account if you already have an Eduonix account. And if you are coming here for the first time, click on free sign up and create an Eduonix account, and then log into your account, and then click on enroll now in a course and start learning for free. I hope this programming language courses video was helpful to you all. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, press the subscribe button and the bell icon, and you can also connect with me on social media. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.